Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about List Infinity, and I'm excited about this opportunity. I will be promoting this for this year and also next year. I see longevity with this opportunity. Not only that, I feel that this is one of the easiest ways to actually start accumulating ongoing commissions for just $100. And if you haven't taken a look at this, you're going to want to, and I'm going to explain why. So you're going to want to stay till the end of this video because it's going to cost you absolutely nothing to start. And I love opportunities where there are instant commissions. I love opportunities where there's 100% commissions and it goes to you directly. You're going to be able to benefit from this opportunity by not only getting the information that you need in order to be successful, but you're going to be able to get up and running within less than 24 hours. And I got started right away. Last night, actually set up the system. It was under an hour to set up the system. I will also help my team. If you need help from me setting up your system, just let me know. And I will help you to set up your system because it's extremely easy, self-explanatory, and you'll be able to be up and running in no time. So what comes with List Infinity? You're gonna be able to build an email list. If people don't know, the money is in the email list. And for a lot of people, this is hard to do because they don't know where to get the emails from. They don't know how to build the funnel for the emails. But with this opportunity, you're not gonna need to know to do any of that stuff because it all comes built into the system. You are going to, not only that, your team is going to help you to get leads from the system. There are 100% payouts for each person that joins you. So $100 is going to go directly to your PayPal or Stripe account. And you're going to get a residual income. This is a done for you lead capture page that's built in. I thought that you had to set the capture pages up yourself, but you don't. They're already up and running for you when you sign up and you become a paid member. So if you go into the description below, you're going to be able to click here and start your free account. And then once you upgrade to the pro level, that's the level that's going to allow you to start receiving commissions. But not only that, give you access to the Facebook group, the chat room. You're going to get a free autoresponder, 13 viral lead capture pages. Like all of this stuff is included in the pro membership. Plus there are no monthly fees. This is a one-time payment. And before you sign up, you want to just test it, you can do so. But we have a lot of people that are coming in as the paid member because again, it's only $100 payment to start and you don't want to miss out on that. There's here in the description below is the link. There's frequently asked questions. If you have any questions about the opportunity, you can get most of your questions answered here under the frequently asked questions. And then not only that, on the page is also proof of some of the members that have received payments. And there's way more proof inside of the Facebook group that this works. Not only that, they give you different ways to promote your business. If you don't want to use Facebook, there's a ton of value here for $100. So you have the free Facebook traffic strategies, the 10K blueprint, the TikTok training, you got YouTube training, Instagram marketing as well, reprogram your mind for success, which just goes over mindset. And I actually took the time yesterday and went over some of the 10K blueprint, and it was really great information in there for you to actually start earning an income. So I just want to say thank you for viewing this video. Again, if you want more information, it will be in the description below. You definitely want to take a look and get started. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great Sunday, and I'll see you again sometime this week. Have a good day.